grab your camera. And don't forget your reindeer ears. Plug in the first decoration. Morning everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. I just got on campus going to my art history class. I have been up since 7 a.m. working on this PowerPoint that's half of my final. And yeah, so that's what I gotta do. And then I have work and then another class, and then I'll be off for 2.5 hours until my last class. So like I said, this isn't gonna be another work and school Vlogmas. We're actually gonna do something once I get home. So I will be back, and let's hope I pass this PowerPoint if I end up presenting today. So where I work, I can hang out in the radio station because I sometimes do stuff here. So I thought it's Christmassy in here. Why not show you all the Christmas decorations? Everybody, I'm back. It's 1:54 and I have class at 4:30, so I'm really trying to figure out what I can do for this Vlogmas episode to make it different than the last two. And so while I'm thinking, still have like so many ideas, I just don't know if I have the time to do it. So that's my problem. So right now I'm eating some chicken fried rice my mom had made for me yesterday because I was like, I have night classes. I have a night class tonight, so she just made me some food so when I get home I could just nuke it and eat it. So yeah, that's the plan right now, and I've just been trying to catch up on some Vlogmas episodes from my favorite YouTubers. So I'm gonna eat and then I'll come back and then we will figure out what I'm gonna be doing. Alright, so I'm back and I finally decided what I'm gonna do. I have been putting it to the side of doing these DIY room decorations because I just feel like I need to spruce up this place and I need to find some way to hang up photos. So I'm going to be doing this kind of rustic frame. I got the idea from Pinterest, but I got it from like this other holiday frame. So I'm going to make it a rustic frame, and it's going to have burlap, this frame I already bought, and then just some clothespins. And then this other project I'm going to be doing is just putting twine with clothespins and hanging up photos. So it's actually pretty easy, good on a budget crafts. And so I'm going to start. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our frame and we're going to measure the burlap to the squares. You want a little bit extra above the frame, like an inch or two, just so you can make sure it sticks to the back of the frame. And that's how we're going to make our background. going to cut out the square that I measured. And then once the hot glue gun is ready, we are going to glue it onto the back of the frame. Now that we have the frame on the back, we're going to do this for the rest of the other two. Now that we have that one done, we're going to do the same thing to the other two squares, and we're just going to let them dry. So now we're going to put some hot glue on the back of the paper clip or clothespin or whatever they're called, and we are going to just glue it on the top so then the photo is hanging in the middle of the frame but still on the burlap background. So those are my 2 decor room projects. I know they were not kind of like a Vlogmas kind of thing, but I got that out of the way, so now I don't have to do that anymore. And I'm very excited that I finally got that done. And we have some kind of rustic themed things. And y'all got to see a DIY. So I'm going to go to class and we'll see if something happens tonight. Alright, so for the OOTD, outfit of the day, I totally forgot to do this. And I don't feel like doing it for the mirror. So I'm wearing my Delaware State University red and blue sweater, our colors, and then just these blue jeans. They're kind of different. They have like all these random patches and stuff. I thought they're really cute. And then I've just been wearing my cowgirl boots. And I had on my necklace and stuff earlier, but I just decided to take it off. So that was the outfit of the day. I just got home and I finished another final, y'all. Man, I'm acing these finals so far. 2 presentations. So it's been a really good day compared to the beginning of Vlogmas with that broken glasses crap. So that's what happened today. Oh my god, no, the lighting was best over here. And so I think I'm going to end this today because I just got home and I pulled something in my back and it really hurts. So I got to try to loosen it so I can get ready for tomorrow in Vlogmas. And I'll be done with my day at school tomorrow at 4. So I might go do something. Who knows? We will see. And so stay tuned for tomorrow. Don't forget to, oh shoot, I was supposed to tell you what I was going to do. The Instagram thing. Okay. I think I might do it on Friday after I work or Sunday. If I don't work, I have this event I have to go to, which I'll take y'all with me. But I'm going to do it on Friday or Sunday. And I will... Let me think. Give me a minute. Okay, if I end up working on Friday, we'll just do it after I finish working. But I'll ask y'all questions though, because I have to dress nice for work. So we will do Instagram controls Vlogmas 4-day on Friday. So go on Instagram on, let me find my calendar so I know what day it is. Alright, so go on Instagram and follow me at SAMIE_Carter. And I'm going to be posting up Vlogmas questions, so y'all get to choose what I'm going to do for my Vlogmas day on Friday. And that is my best friend's birthday, December 7th. So, December 7th, Instagram controls my Vlogmas for a day. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be fun.